Hello, welcome to our video about neuroplasticity and how it can help in the recovery of brain injuries. Neuroplasticity is the process by which the brain is able to adapt and change in response to external and internal stimuli. This capacity for change is one of the most impressive characteristics of the human brain and can be seen at all stages of life. Brain injuries can occur as a result of a variety of events, such as strokes, head injuries, brain tumors, and other diseases. When a part of the brain is damaged, other areas can take on its functions, which is called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity can occur to varying degrees depending on the extent and location of the injury. One area where neuroplasticity is most studied is in the recovery of brain injuries. Neuroplasticity therapy is a therapeutic approach that uses the brain's ability to adapt and change to help in the recovery of brain injuries. This therapy can include physical exercise, occupational therapy, speech therapy, cognitive training, and other techniques that aim to stimulate neuroplasticity. An example of how neuroplasticity can help in the recovery of brain injuries is motor training. When a person suffers a brain injury that affects the ability to move a limb, such as a leg or arm, motor training can be used to help regain the function of the limb. Motor training involves the repetition of specific movements to stimulate neuroplasticity and help the brain find new ways to perform the movement. Another area where neuroplasticity is useful in the recovery of brain injuries is in speech rehabilitation. When a person suffers a brain injury that affects the ability to speak, speech therapy can be used to help recover this ability. Speech therapy involves the repetition of specific sounds and words to stimulate neuroplasticity and help the brain find new ways to produce speech. In addition to the recovery of brain injuries, neuroplasticity has been studied in various other areas of neuroscience, including learning and memory. Neuroplasticity is the foundation of learning and memory as it is the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to new information. Recent studies suggest that neuroplasticity may also play a role in the prevention of brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and other dementias. Cognitive and physical stimulation can help promote neuroplasticity and thus reduce the risk of developing these diseases.